Welcome back guys on my channel. Today I have some money in the Bitcoin that I want to change it for some terahash. So in this moment, like in the last video, we have 121 terahash with 15 watts per terahash efficiency, and in this time I mined some Bitcoin. If we go here in dashboard, we have almost $180 with 8 miners. So we are going here to reward, and the last day, because the Bitcoin is going up, we made a profit of 83 cents. So what I want to do now is go in my assets and change my Bitcoin in GoMining, because I want to buy some miners from Marketplace, and I don't want to buy the card because I want to reinvest this money. And what I don't know, it's if I want to buy 12 watts per terahash miner or 15 watts, but because the price is up for that lowest efficiency miner, I think I will go and buy the 15 watts per terahash miner, because I can get 4 terahash at least. We see here our balance in Bitcoin. We can go here in more, convert, we max the Bitcoin, and we will get 152 GoMining token. We go next, confirm, and back to wallet, and now we have in wallet GoMining tokens. We refresh the page, and we are see here $43. It's a little commission there. So we go in my marketplace and see what's here. This 20 watts per terahash miner, I think it's not profitable anymore, because the price of the current, we can get monthly 10 cents and yearly. But if the Bitcoin is going to go 100, I think it's okay. But we don't want this. Let's go and find something. We go here, energy 15, terahash max 5, and highest return. Let's see, highest return is this with $10 per terahash, and we have this too, and I want to buy this one. Let's pay. Okay, on the fix. So this is the new miner of 15 watts per terahash. Okay, now we have 9 miners and a power of 125 terahash, and this new terahash will make some money in the future. Let's see here. Now it's a road to the final. If you want to take part of this, you can buy tickets by buying some miners, and you can win this epic GoMining timepiece 1000 terahash miner. But what I want now, it's I want to show you the price of the, we're going here in custom, of the 12 watts per terahash. If you want to buy 16 terahash, you have a price of terahash of $20.50. That can make you today per month just $5 with the price of 300 euro. So now in the bear market, it's really hard to make money, but if you buy this now and the Bitcoin is going again, let's say just 100,000, you can make $13 per month and yearly 160. But if the Bitcoin is going up and beat the all-time high in 2028, and it will go at 130, you have just at 75%. So it's an investment, but it's a long-term investment here in GoMining. If you buy these miners, you will have on the live, and you can sell them. If the Bitcoin is going up, you can go and sell them for the actual price in the future. This is very good. So please go and check the last video of my YouTube channel and go and subscribe. And if you want to go and buy some miners from the GoMining app and you want to register, you have the link here and in the description too. Here is my description of the channel. So this channel is not just about Go mining, it will be about passive income apps, about trading, about strategies and crypto news. But in this moment, I have just posted up Go mining videos. What I want in future, like I said, I want to have some terahash at the final of this year. I want to have 500 terahash, but we'll see how this is going in the next months, because 500 terahash, it's expensive. We need this, and if we can get at 12 watts per terahash, will be awesome. But this costs 6,500 euro, and in Bitcoin your reward is less because you pay with Bitcoin. Per year it's a good number. If you invest if you invest 6,500 and you get per year at 80,000 Bitcoin price 2,400, it's a return of investment that not many businesses can do this. And if you don't have the electricity rate good for you to mine, this is the best application you can go. At this price of Bitcoin, you can get 1,500 per year. Think about it, because if you invest 6,500 and you get in this condition $125 per month, it's more good than rent a house. But I'm not a economist, I'm not professional in this. You can do your research and make your decision. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please go and subscribe to my channel, and let's hit 100 subscribers, and this video I think is going viral. So thank you for watching.